Hey guys, we're out here in Hurst, Texas today, installing a great new lawn for a great, cool customer. And we're doing some Palisades Zoysia today. So we don't always do Palisades Zoysia. We don't always talk a lot about Palisades, but it's a freaking cool grass. And so I'm just gonna show you some of that today. So Palisades is a nice medium bladed grass. It just needs about 3 hours of sunlight. And you know, some people think it looks a little bit like St. Augustine, but you know what? I think it looks a whole lot better than St. Augustine. Let me pull it over here to where this St. Augustine is. Some people don't like St. Augustine because they think it's weedy or whatever because of runners. So this doesn't have runners. Neighbor has some St. Augustine, so we'll throw it down here. So you can see how wide blade the St. Augustine is. And then this is considered a medium blade, so it's about half the thickness of a St. Augustine grass. So, you know, quite a bit different. Looks really nice though. This is not gonna have those long runners that you would see in St. Augustine. And, you know, there's a lot more resilience to pests and fungus and things of that nature. All grass can get a fungus, you know, but, you know, when St. Augustine gets a fungus, it just seems like it goes into those runners and spreads really rapidly throughout the plant, and then you lose quite a bit of your yard. So that's why most people are getting away from St. Augustine and going with any type of zoysia grass, whether it's a fine blade. If you like that Bermuda look, fine blade zoysia grasses are good for you. If you like St. Augustine look, but you don't want St. Augustine, then maybe the Palisades is good for you. Or if you have a deeper shade and you still want to cut it at 1.5 to 2 inches, Palisades is good for you. Anyways, so, you know, we do have some customers that take a Xeon Zoysia and they there's this new thing where they don't even mow the yard too often, like 5 times a year, and they let that grass grow about 6-7 inches tall, and they can get in the deep shade with that Xeon. But if you're gonna cut your yard like a normal residential, you know, once a week or something like that, and you're in deep shade, then Palisades is good for you. Palisades rated at about 3 hours of sunlight. Xeon, same thing, right about 3 hours, but I always say trim your trees to 4 hours and you can have any grass you want. There you go, some Palisades. Really good looking grass though. If you guys are in the market to replace your lawn, give us a call. We'll talk to you about what types of grasses are best for you. Go to zoysiasod.com. Adios.